In off-road racing, there are no smooth roads, no second chances, and no mercy from the terrain. This video throws us straight into the chaos of Comp Safari off-road racing, where speed and danger collide. Powerful machines rush across rough ground, hitting rocks, mud, and steep hills at full force. The terrain changes constantly, forcing drivers to make split-second decisions. One wrong move can send a vehicle sliding, rolling, or crashing hard. As the race continues, the danger becomes clear. Vehicles lose control on loose dirt, flip during failed climbs, or land badly after jumps. These moments show how unforgiving off-road racing can be. But this video is not only about crashes, it also highlights courage and control. Many drivers push forward despite mistakes, damaged vehicles, and brutal conditions. Engines scream, suspensions bend, and tires fight for grip on every surface. Dust fills the air as racers battle through narrow paths and open fields. Each section demands focus, strength, and confidence. There are no easy routes, only obstacles waiting to test both driver and machine. What makes Comp Safari racing special is the raw challenge. Nature sets the rules, and racers must adapt or fail. Every run is a test of skill, endurance, and bravery. By the end of this compilation, one thing is clear: off-road racing is extreme, unpredictable, and thrilling. This video captures the true spirit of Comp Safari, pure adrenaline from start to finish. If you enjoy real racing action, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.